Hello guys, welcome back to the Toys Lover channel. At this time, I will trying to review the diecast motorcycle guys. So just so you know, I've been waiting this diecast long time guys. Now, the package was arrived actually a few days ago. So I will trying to review and then show you the details of this diecast. Okay? So, without any long conversation for this opening, let's check it out guys. This is the package guys. Ooh la la. Oh, let's see what the inside of the box guys, as usual. Oh my god. I will take this item first. I'm shaking guys. My hand is shaking now. Here we go guys. Wow, just information for you. I purchased this is a loose item, so without any original box guys, but it's no problem, no worries for me, because if you look, oh my god, it's very details guys. Okay, we open for the wrap bubble first. Let's go guys. Okay, let's open it with slowly guys, slowly. Oh god. Wow guys. Oh my god, this is worth it. I just waiting long time guys. This is Kawasaki Ninja ZX636 scale 1/12 scale by AUTOMAXX guys. Okay, let's try to review for this all details of the body guys. I will zoom it for you first. Oh god, you can see it, right? You can see it. Oh my god, all this very details guys, very nice. Okay, we go to the fairing first. So fairing still the same. For the material is from the plastic. And then for the engine there is some silver color in there. It's very nice as well, you can check. And then for the delta box is look precisely guys. And then we're going to the fourth step. This is also, I think, is amazing, wonderful guys, so details as well. And then for the exhaust in here, oh god, the color is a black, like a black matte, but it's so cool, right? So details guys, you can see it. Oh my god. And then for the pipe going through the head cylinder in there, oh god, it's very good. And then there is a Kawasaki logo in there. It's very nice, of course. You can see it guys, it's so glossy, right? It's so nice. And then the shape is very straightforward guys. I really love this one guys. Oh my god, even I got a loose item without the original box, I'm still love it. No problem guys, this is worth it. Oh god. Okay, we're going through the swing arm. The swing arm is same like a plastic material in here. And then for the rear tires, of course, can spin. And then the tires from the rubber. And then the rims, god, the rims is like aluminum, but the chrome guys, it's a chrome. Woo! And then the disc is details guys. I'm speechless guys, I'm speechless. Okay, we're going to the front side. Oh, there is a 4-cylinder inline, you can check, and then also the radiator. It looks so clear in there, and then so detailed as well. Ooh, God, this is very good. And just so you know guys, for this model actually launched approximately on 2013 until 2016 if I'm not mistaken. So for this item can call ZX6R, but if you check for the sticker in the tail body, it says that 636. Okay, we're going to the front side guys. God, you see the headlamp guys, it's so facelift, right? Oh, nice. God, and then for the windshield is very nice as well, you can check. Oh, it's really love it guys, it's so lovely guys, it's so lovely. Ooh. And then there is an air scoop in there, you can see it, and then it goes through the machine as an air cooler guys. Okay, and then we can take a look for the front tires, the materials from the rubber of course, and then you can check for the double disc in here as a caliper. Yeah, it's very nice as well. And then for the rims is same like rear rims, same is chrome, you can check. Okay, it's very nice guys. Okay, we're going through the other side. Oh, if you look for another left side, right side, on the top, it looks so cool guys, really. God, and then in here is you can check the details of the machine on the left side is so amazing, you can check. Woo, nice, I love it. And then there is a stand holder as well, nice. And then for the chain you can check, it looks so realistic guys. Oh my god. And then the swing arm, it looks so precisely as well. And for the rear suspension, it can adjust guys, it's very nice. And then this is from the top, you can check. Woo, cool right? Very very cool guys. And then you can check for the interior, for the cockpit I mean. Wow, the cockpit looks like so amazing guys, it's so cool. And then of course can move it from to the left side and then right side for the steering damper in here. Okay, and there's a mirror as well. I don't want to open it first, later guys, later, because this is a new guys, this is a new. Okay, this is the tail body, and then for the back side guys, there is a mention for the brand of Kawasaki. Woo, nice. Okay, I think it's enough for me guys for this review. Hopefully it can be your reference, even without any original box, with the loose item you can get it guys. This is worth it for your collection. I buy this or I purchased this on the AliExpress.com, and then the shipment is very long time guys, approximately almost 30 days. So this is worth it to wait guys. Okay, see you on the next video. Stay healthy, stay safe, bye guys.